Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create read-only fields in Copper CRM. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your Copper account. And the one you're in here on your dashboard, go to the top left and click on your profile or profile name. Now go ahead and click on Customize Copper. Click on it. And then once done, under here in this panel, we have Customize. Okay. Now in here, go ahead and find the record type. It could be people, companies, pipeline records, or even task. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and choose people in here. Now in this section, just scroll down the list of fields to find the specific one you want to make read only. Okay. As you can see here, we have record creation rules and record edit rules. So what you'll do is just click on a drop down, for example, title. Click on a drop down. As you can see here, we have the read only option. Okay, read only for record edit rules as well. You can go ahead and change this one to read only. And some fields right here will be grayed out as it is required by default, such as name, contacts or contact type, and visibility as well. And then once that's done, no need to click on a save button as it will be automatic. And if you want, you can go ahead and create another field in here. Let's say you wanted to make a duplicate of title right here, just for the sake of making it read only, and another title will be required or none. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.